Link collections can be easily shared by creating PDF files that list the links at various levels in the database schema. The resulting collection of PDF files will constitute a multi-level menu that front-ends the media collection. In this example, the Sales Manager collection consists of over 185 links that point to video tutorials that describe how to use a software product. This links collection takes advantage of all 5 levels in the database schema. Before creating any PDFs, close Media Collection Links Manager. Relaunch Media Collection Links Manager. This will ensure that all the links displayed in the link column have blue text and not red text indicating that they've previously been clicked. To create PDF menus, first open the User Actions ribbon. I'll do that using Ctrl F1. Create the PDFs starting at the lowest appropriate level in the database schema. Level 4. List a number of items that have items beneath it, as evidenced by the checkmark in the Has Sub-Item column. We need to create a PDF for each item at Level 4 that has sub-items. Give Level 4 the focus, and then navigate over to the Has Sub-Item column. Up at User Actions, open Selection, and Select is selected. That'll limit the viewable records to only those items that have sub-items beneath it. To create a PDF that will list the items under the current selected record at Level 4, begin by clicking Level 5 Link's Report Command button. Note that the title text is currently highlighted or selected. You can clear that by using Control Home. Make note of the report's title naming schema. We're going to use a similar naming schema when creating the PDF. Also note that the title text was copied to your clipboard. The version on your clipboard has been parsed to remove any spaces and the left right angle brackets. This will come in handy when time comes to give the PDF file a name. Next, click PDF. Note that file name is already highlighted. Use Ctrl-V to paste the text that was on your clipboard. This text string mimics the path that was on the report. We'll name this PDF accordingly. I'll navigate to the Output folder and click Publish. Close the PDF with Alt-F(X). Use Enter key to close the Open Export PDF dialog. Close the Open Report with Ctrl. Select the next record at Level 4 that has sub-items. We'll select it using the left side record selector, then click Level 5 Links Report. Again, if the title is highlighted, Control Home will clear it. Again, PDF, Ctrl-V. Navigate to the Output folder and Publish. Note that we get a warning. This file already exists in this instance. We'll overwrite it by clicking Yes. Once again, Alt-F(X) to close the PDF. Enter key to close the Export PDF dialog. Ctrl-Leave to close the Open Report. Off camera, I'll repeat the process for the remaining items at Level 4 that have sub-items. I've completed that process for all the items at Level 4 that have sub-items. At this point, I'll unfilter the list at Level 4. I'll repeat those steps for all the items at Level 3 that have items beneath them. First, I'll send the selected record to the top of the list of Item 3 using Control Home. Next, I'll navigate over and select the Has Sub-Item column. Up on User Actions, Selection is selected. I've now filtered that list, with the first record in Level 3 selected. Click Level 4 Links Report. This time, I'll clear the focus by just tapping on the report over on the right side. PDF. Output folder. Last PDF produced. Edit the string, and this string will end about the help videos. Publish. Alt-F(X), Enter key. Ctrl-W. We'll select the next record at Level 3. Level 4 Links Report. PDF. Output folder. Select last and change the string. Publish. Alt-F(X), Enter key, Ctrl-W. Off camera, I'll repeat that process for the remaining items at Level 3 that have items beneath them. I finished making the PDFs for the items under Level 3 that have sub-items, so I'll unfilter Level 3. Off camera, I'm going to repeat the same process. for the items at level 2, and create PDFs using the Open Level 3 Report Command button. There are only 2 of those items, so it won't take long. And when that's complete, I'll do it for the top level by executing the Open Level 2 Report Command button. I've now completed creating all the PDFs for this collection. We go to the Output folder, count the files. There are 31 PDFs that document this collections menu. Next, we're going to upload this collection of PDF files to my website. I've navigated to an instance of Beyond Compare 4 Pro. I like Beyond Compare's FTP capabilities. Here, I've opened a folder compare that targets the shared PDF menu folder on my local system and a PDF menus folder on my website. I'm going to select all the files on the left side, the local files. Use Ctrl-R and then the Start button to execute a transfer copy from left to right. I'll pause this video while this is taking place. Okay, all those files have been uploaded. I'm going to test one of the links real quick. I'm going to select the first one here, which is the top level in our menu schema. I have a little custom function in Beyond Compare that lets me execute a file and view it in a browser by using F4 on my keyboard. And there's the PDF that we uploaded. This one is the top level of the menu schema. I can hold down Control and click this link, and we've opened the next level in the menu. I'll use Page Down to go to the Support Tools item. This was the one that went down the full 5 levels in the schema. Control-click, and I've opened the next lower level. The items with a check under submenu indicate a lower level menu. So I'll use the first example here, Control-click, and we've opened that final submenu. If I click one of these links, I'll start a video. And that video starts to play. I'll close it using Ctrl-WE, and I can close all these open menus using successive uses of Ctrl-W. Ctrl-W. We're back at the top level. I'm done looking at this menu, so it's Ctrl-W. Off camera, I've created a listing of the PDF file names in Notepad. I'll use Ctrl and then Ctrl-C to copy the list to my clipboard. Back in Media Collection Links Manager, I'm working in a collection that I created that holds only PDF menus. I have an item here for Sales Manager, but there are no records yet in it. What I'll do is click on Subject at Level 3, use Ctrl-V-Z, and confirm the copy with the yes. I've now created link records for all the PDF files. However, if we examine Control-Home, one of those links, Control-KI, there are no hyperlink properties yet. To fix that, I'm going to use this hyperlink preference string to auto-generate the proper link records. With all selected, I'll click Make Link Level 3. I go Control-Home, Control-KA. They now have a properly formed link for that value. To test it, I'm going to, with the record selected, use the Enter key, click OK, and I'm back at my top-level menu item. I'll close with Control. And as a quick test, I'll pick another item here. Now let's go to the Support Tools one, Enter key. Okay, and we've got them. Control-W. At this point, you can share the PDF menu by using the link that points to the top-level menu on the website, or just emailing a copy of that PDF. To wrap this up, I'm going to navigate back to the Sales Manager collection. As a best practice, I normally use the PDFs for the designated top levels as that item's link value. I also repeat the same for any sub-level item that has items beneath it. Again, if we use the N key and look at the link value, we can see it's an appropriate PDF file.